So we have a lot of integration rules for the trig functions. So definitely take a look at the box on the top of the worksheet with the 6 different rules that we have. They really are basically just the reverses of the derivatives. So you can always check your work by taking the derivative. So for 27, the integral of cosine of 3x, this is going to be 1/3 sine of 3x, and that's going to become a minus 1/4 cosine of 4x plus c. Looking at number 28, the integral of secant tangent. So it's kind of like these are grouped. That becomes 1/3 secant of 3x plus, and then the secant squared is going to become a tangent, so 1/5 tangent of 5x plus c. So again, to check your work, if you were to take the derivatives of these, you would get back to the original. And that's really why you see these fractions in this integration problems, because of the chain rule. The 3 would come out, the 5 would come out, and they would get rid of those fractions. So we do need those fractions there.